Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the channel today and taking a look at my new purchase. This is a 2013 model Triumph Scrambler 900 in this nice glossy black finish. I think when you take a look at this bike for the first time and then you look at the specs and it's 230 kilos and you look over at this Honda at around that 200 mark, it's sort of hard to believe this little Triumph's 30 kilos heavier. But that's what the specs say, and I suppose that's what it is. This bike was more of a see and grab purchase. I was just looking around. Actually, I was thinking of buying another Royal Enfield Interceptor when this bike just popped up when I was looking through some bike sale ads, and I rang the owner about it, which was a couple 100-mile round trip away, and these particular bikes in Australia sell for, or the new model sells for around 17,500 new. I could have got myself a demo one with 2200 kilometres on it for roughly 15,000, but I was thinking I wouldn't know how long I'd have it for anyway, so it's probably just a waste of money. So I decided to give this guy a ring and talk to him, and he originally had 11,500 on it, and I hit him with the price and eventually said yeah, he'd take 9,000 cash and deliver it after I spoke to him, and so I thought I'd buy it sight unseen and go from there. And overall it's quite a nice looking little bike. It's got the Arrow sports exhaust on it. It's also got the sump guard, not sure if that's factory standard or not, and the headlight grille. So overall it appears good. Well, I would actually say for a 6-year-old bike, you know, the condition of the bike really is near perfect, but there's no damage. It's a really nice looking thing, no paint knocked off it. So overall I'm really happy with it. Seat height, it's roughly the size of the one I've got over here, the Honda. Although the Honda does still look a bit larger and overpowering compared to this one, and but overall I think it's a really nice little bike. And even though it's 30 kilos heavier, I'm still saying a nice little bike because it just feels smaller than the other one. What I might do is start her up and you can have a listen to it. Okay guys, we'll kick her over and it'll hold ears because it's a bit noisy. Okay, I was told you turn the pull this choke out, pull the clutch in, press the button. Away it goes. Oh well, you've probably heard it by now. You wouldn't call it quiet. Oh well guys, that's about it on the bit of a look at this Triumph. I still haven't got around to putting the exhaust on the 500. The 500 because I was tied up with this Triumph purchase, but I'll get onto that in the next day or so and then we'll see how it looks. Anyway, once again, thanks for looking. We'll just give it a bit of a rev. It certainly is noisy.